This video will show you how to install LED projector headlights on your 2012 to 2013 Ford Focus. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Now remove the two T30 bolts, as you see here. Wiggle and pull forward on the factory headlight to remove it. Then disconnect the headlight harness. Connect the headlight harness to the new projector headlight, then place it in a stock location. Now we can secure the new headlight onto the car with two T30 bolts. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.